ISOPON has a repair solution for almost any damage, and in this video we're going to be showing you how to use the ISOPON plastic bumper filler kit. The plastic bumper filler kit is a flexible, easy-to-use filler specially formulated to repair scratches and scuffs in most types of plastic and urethane bumper and trim pieces. Pre-measured packs are fast-drying and easy to mix, making it easy to create a smooth, very flexible and durable repair that's ready for primer and paint. Here's a look at everything that comes in the plastic bumper filler repair kit. You'll find 4 packets of plastic bumper filler, hardener to go along with the filler, a plastic applicator, and a detailed instruction sheet showing you step by step every aspect of this repair. Things you'll also need are fine and coarse sandpaper, a sanding block, a clean mixing board, protective gloves, and a wiping cloth. Let's take a look at the repair. This is an early 80s bumper cover with deep scratches in the urethane in the front. You want to make sure this is clean, dry and free from grease, wax and oil. Acetone or alcohol does a nice job of that. Wearing protective gloves, make sure you've got a good abrasion, about 25 mm around your damaged area. In this case, it was severely scratched from the accident, so just clean it. Cut open the plastic bumper filler packet. Remove all the plastic bumper filler from the packet onto a clean mixing sheet. Then squeeze out a 40 mm by 3 mm strip of the hardener. Using the supplied applicator, mix the filler and hardener together until you get a uniform colour and both components are thoroughly blended. This is very important. Apply to the repair within 4 minutes of starting to mix. Apply the filler in one application so the final surface is slightly higher than the surrounding area. Allow your filler to dry for 20 to 30 minutes prior to sanding. Using an electric or pneumatic sander or a sanding block, use medium sandpaper and carefully remove the excess filler, shaping the repair to the contour of the bumper. For the final finish, use a sanding block with fine-grade wet or dry paper and plenty of water. The final finish should be perfectly smooth and feathered and blended easily to the surrounding area. Small imperfections can be filled again with a small amount of filler and resanded. Your repair is now ready to prime with your chosen primer and followed by top coats. ISOPON really does have an easy repair solution for almost any damage. So for more information on the ISOPON plastic bumper filler kit or any other ISOPON products, be sure to check out our website at isopon.co.uk.